Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. I just wanted to hop on really quickly and show everybody what I'm sending out to my January Patreon members. This is for the letter post membership level. I do have more tiers opening up starting February 1st, the box of Paper Joy and the bound volume. And those involve a little more. I'll tell you about those in a little bit, but they're starting to fill up and I might have to close those out after I reach a certain number because I'm only one person, can only make so many handmade items every month. But this is for the letter post tier, which they get a piece of flat happy mail. And so I made from my, I think it's called the Artist Wives digital kit, I made this little cute little folio, and all of the images are from my Artist Wives collection, all of these. And I showed these previously, but everybody is getting a pre-made journal topper. You can use it as a tip-in, or you can put it right on an old book, instant made journal, a piece of vintage ephemera, and some antique book pages and some other just little papers that I thought would be fun. Wanted to put enough in here that it would be fun, whoops, but not too packed where I couldn't put it in a flat envelope. So I made this little rim here, I don't know what you would call that, little flap that I put down with brads and a vellum envelope with a sticker, and you can use the folio however you would like. So that's what's going out for January. Now for February, the box of Paper Joy is going to involve this flat envelope plus a larger, thicker package for postage reasons. That one costs a little bit more. Flat can ship a lot cheaper. Then once you start getting into bulk, it's a little more expensive. And then the bound volume, everybody's going to get this flat piece, the larger package, and every month a blank handmade album journal from me. And so I'm starting to make some journals. This is a blank one that I'm not sure which ones you're going to get starting in February, but this is like a wallet size, and then this is a smaller size, but they're going to be blank inside so that you can use the package and these flat items, and you will have a journal and supplies to decorate every month. So hop on board if you want. The February tier is starting to fill up. If you sign up for 1 year, you get 1 month for free, so that is the more economical option. And for those of you who are ready, waiting for your happy mail, I can't wait for you to get these, and I hope you love them. I think you will. See you soon.